Hello guys, welcome back to Super DESAI Sisters. So today we have brought an amazing recipe. So before starting the video, I would like you to subscribe to our channel. So click on the red subscribe button and the bell icon so that whenever we post a video, you know it. So this is an amazing sprouted mug recipe. I'm sure you will love it. Do try it. So here I have taken 1.5 cups of sprouted mugs. You can make many recipes using this mug, but I have here made a simple one and a tasty one. If you know, there are many benefits of sprouted mug. They have high antioxidant levels, they can lower bad cholesterol levels, they are rich in potassium, magnesium and fiber, and they have lots of benefits to the body.